Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the Shining Gundam Full Suit Build Series Part 6. Today we're going to start painting the suit the final colors. I'm going to start off with the easier parts because this is all blue, this is all white, and this is all white. And once I go from there, then I'll go to the parts that need more taping and more multiple colors. Let's get painting. So I did a lot of the primary color. Some parts I didn't do the primary color. I did most of the taping off camera because it takes a while to tape off different parts. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my black spray paint and I'm going to spray in all these areas that you still see gold, and up here is going to be red. And the whole outer part of this shoulder here, that's going to be red. And then on the boot here, the gold that you see is going to be painted black. So let's get painting. Okay, the entire suit is painted. It took a little while because I did my painting a little bit different. I did the inner details first, then I worked my way out to the outer details. Painting the backpack was a bit tricky because it needed a lot of tape. So I'm going to let this dry now, and then the next step is that I'm going to clear coat the entire suit. I'm going to be using the 2K clear coat that I used before. So that's it for right now. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and also don't forget to hit the thumbs up to let me know that you liked the video. Thank you for watching.